Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 3. How are you? I hope you will be fine and enjoying at your home. Welcome to your English class. Open your ORC book, page number 61. Here is lesson 8 at the railway station Upway. Dear students, look at the picture. Here is a boy with a violin and here is the railway station. Dear students, Upway is a small town in the south of England. Dear students, it is a beautiful poem about how to fight sorrows and be happy always. Dear student, there are some difficult words in this poem that are written in with meaning down. Okay, here are the words written with meaning in English. You have to write down these words on your notebook. Dear students, let's start reading. There is not much that I can do, for I've no money that's quite my own, spoke up the pitying child, a little boy with a violin, at the station before the train came in. But I can play my fiddle to you, and a nice one it's and good in tone. Dear student, there are some characters in on this railway station. First, there is a boy who is very sad, and there is the other boy who told the sad boy that I can play a violin and listen, and by listening that music you will feel very happy. And there is a constable with a man with handcuffs. And the constable is also very happy by listening the magical music of the violin boy, and the man in handcuffs start to sing along with violin. Here is the other page number 62. Let's start again. The man in the handcuffs smiled. The constable looked and he smiled too as the fiddle began to twang. And the man in the handcuffs suddenly sang with a grimful glee, "This life so free is a thing for me." And the constable smiled and said no word, as if unconscious of what he heard. And so they went on till the train came in, the convict and the boy with the violin. Dear students, I have encircled the difficult words. We will know their meaning. Note these words on your notebook. Handcuffs means a lockable link, in that we can lock someone's hand, and a constable means a police officer. Twang means the sound of the strings of violin. Grimful glee means disappoint but happy. You can find harshly and delight. Harshly, disappoint but happy. Unconscious means unaware of something. Convict means a prisoner. There is a prisoner who is sad because he is now locked and a prisoner, but he became happy by listening the violin, and the constable who was taking the prisoner is now unconscious in the music. He is down in the magic of the music. The music took away their all sorrows. And also the boy who was very sad is now very happy and was in a good mood till the train come. Dear students, on page number 63, focus on the question number 6. Music and song bring feeling of joy. Discuss and write about your favorite song. Why does it make you happy? Dear students, you must have your favorite song. Write about your favorite song and tell me why it makes you happy. And what do you feel when you listen that song? Just write few lines about your favorite song. Dear students, इस poem को आपको पढ़ना है. Just read it very carefully and tell me about your favorite song. Dear students, आप मुझे अपने song के बारे में लिख के बताएंगे कि आपको कौन सा song अच्छा लगता है और क्यों अच्छा लगता है. बस थोड़ी सी line आपको उसके बारे में लिखनी है. जो भी आप लिखें, ठीक है? Do your homework very carefully. I'll be back with another interesting lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care.